Welcome back to tutorial 4 of Vecms. Today I will show you how to register a new patient and schedule appointment for new and existing patients. If you haven't watched the previous videos, do well and watch them so that you follow along with us. Please kindly subscribe to this channel so that any series that we upload, you will get alert and watch it. So, my objectives today, I will show you how to create patients records. Also, I will teach staff, receptionist, secretary, how to schedule visits by booking appointment for new and existing patients. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how to register a new patient and book appointment for new and existing patient in Vecms. Let's have some demonstration. So we at the admin portal. That's the owner's portal. So new patient. We'll click on new patient. Then we will add our new patient. So I'm going to put some demo data, demo information, and create my new patient. So the first name is demo, and then the last name is demo 2. Email is demo 2. And then the phone number is +2 33 99 99 99. Okay, date of birth, I'm going to select any date, maybe 2012. Okay, let me go a little down. 2000. So February, let's say February 14. February 14. So the date of birth is 14th February 2000. So the year is 26 years old here. The gender, I will select male. Profession, I will say teaching. Then we'll put the address here. The city, let's say Takoradi. And then if there's any emergency contact, you put it here. The relationship, either spouse, parent, child, you select. If there's any insurance information or insurance provider, you put the insurance provider name here, the policy number, then the group number. Any medical condition, so you put any medical conditions here. If the person or the patient is on any current medication, you enter it here. And then if there are any allergies, you will enter it here. If you have any other note you want to add, you can add it here. Then you can save it. So the email, I made a mistake, so let me add g@gmail.com. Okay, let's try and save it again. Now it has saved. So we have our patient here, demo 2. Let's view and see what is there. Now the patient profile stores the patient's medical history, examinations, prescriptions, and billing records. So let's view and see. Okay, so it's a new patient. So all the records are 0000. The billing is 0, prescription is 0, examination is 0, and all activities also is here. You can edit the patient if maybe the patient has changed his phone number or there's any additional name, you can edit and save. Okay, so now we have registered a new patient. Let's book an appointment for a patient or existing patient. So let's go to the dashboard, and then we'll come to schedule appointment. Okay, so now we can book appointment for existing patient or register a new patient. Let's book for existing patient. We have one patient there already, so let's use that one. Demo 2. Okay, so we have selected the patient that we just added. So demo 2. Let's select the doctor, maybe Dr. Andy Demo, and then the appointment is coming for what? It's coming for eye exams. The date, which date? Maybe tomorrow, 14th February, 14th March. Then the time, maybe 9 o'clock a.m. The duration is 30 minutes. So you have additional options here that you can also fill in. Then after everything, you will get your summary, appointment summary here. Then you can schedule the appointment. Now we have scheduled the appointment. Then so the patients now have appointment with you. Okay, now you can also book for a new appointment. So let's go to appointment again. Okay, then register new patient. So now we are going to register a new patient. Let's say demo 3. Phone number +233 444 444. Email is optional, so I'm going to put something there. Demo 3 @gmail.com. Then the date of birth is also optional, but I'm going to put something there. Let's select something 2002 May, maybe 15th May 2002. Gender is optional, but I will select female. Okay, then let me create and select the patient. So now I have created the patient demo 3. So which doctor is going to attend to this patient? So Andy Demo, then he's coming for contact lens fitting. Which date? Maybe 15th of March. Time 10 o'clock a.m. The duration is 30 minutes. So there's an additional options here. You can select or add some notes. After everything, you will get your appointment summary here, and then you schedule the appointment. So now we have booked appointment for existing patient and book appointment for a new patient. After we have booked the appointment, let's see something. Demo 3. You will see that those demo 2 and demo 3, those appointments are pending. So you can confirm it. So let's click confirm. So now the appointment has been confirmed. Then this one too, the appointment has been confirmed. Okay, so once the appointment has been confirmed, SMS reminders will be sent to the patient. So the system can automatically send SMS reminders to patients before their appointment time. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how doctors record examinations. Thank you.